Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2010 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. Compared to a PN junction with Na is equal to Nd is equal to 10 power 14 per centimeter cube, which one of the following statements is true? For a PN junction with Na is equal to Nd is equal to 10 power 20. We are comparing two PN junctions with different acceptor and donor concentrations. We are comparing PN junction with Na is equal to Nd is equal to 10 power 20 with PN junction of Na is equal to Nd is equal to 10 power 14. Out of these four options are related to what is the effect on reverse voltage, reverse breakdown voltage and depletion capacitance, which will increase, which will be decreases. So the right option for this one is nothing but C. Reverse breakdown voltage is going to be lower and depletion capacitance is higher as the doping concentration on both sides is increases. So the question is the meaning of question is nothing but as you are increasing the doping concentrations on both sides Na and Nd, what happens to the reverse breakdown voltage and what happens to the depletion capacitance. This is what the actual meaning of the question asked. Okay. So the right option for this one is nothing but as doping concentrations on both sides is increases, at that time reverse breakdown voltage is getting lower and depletion capacitance becomes higher. Now we will prove this one. Zener breakdown voltage of a PN junction. Okay, Zener breakdown voltage of a PN junction is going to be given like this. Vz is equal to 2 epsilon E. E is nothing but electric field, Ez, that is electric field divided by Q into 1 by Na plus 1 by Nd. This is for the general PN junction. So breakdown voltage is given as 2 permittivity epsilon into Ez, electric field, okay, by Q into 1 by Na plus 1 by Nd. So from this one we can say as Na and Nd is going to be increases, at that time Vz is going to be gets reduces. Okay, and second is nothing but depletion capacitance. Depletion capacitance is also called as transition capacitance or space charge capacitance, which can be given in this way: epsilon A by W. W is nothing but width of depletion region, so W is going to be given as root of 2 epsilon by Q, 2 epsilon VA divided by Q into VA is nothing but applied voltage, or you can write it as Vj, okay, junction voltage. W is equal to 2 epsilon Vj into 1 by Na plus 1 by Nd. 1 by Nd. This is what the width of depletion region equation for a PN junction. Okay, and for this one, if you are going to specify as Na Nd increases, Na and Nd increases, by that time W is going to be gets reduces. Whenever W gets reduces, at that time Ct gets increases. So as doping concentration on both sides of PN junction increases, by that time the reverse breakdown voltages gets lower and depletion capacitance gets higher. So the right option for this question is C. Thank you.